Okay, seems to me the best way to check my microphone's working. I'm going to try and stream a chess game. Let's see if this works. We'll talk all the way through it. D6, as always. Knight F6, almost certainly next. But we'll wait and see. Knight F6 played. Knight F3. D3, no trouble. Bishop G7 coming next. Same always, same always. C5 if possible. Knight C6. And I think I'll try Bishop G4. I haven't decided yet whether I'm going to swap off if asked a question. But I don't think so. I'm going to come back here just to make him think a bit. Knight G5, then H6. I think I'll move the queen here. And then I'm planning to play H6, followed by Rook B8 as A6, Rook B8, B5 if possible. That bishop doesn't look very good there actually. Maybe Knight A5, that's not much use. Here comes F5 in the centre. Maybe I better take the chance to play this one. If he swaps, I'll take the bishop. And if not, if he pushes past, I can take it. Or I can take that. I can take that and get the rook in here, pinning the knight. That's a little bit annoying. At least I can just move the queen, I suppose. Better get some activity, really. Oh dear. So, knight comes out to, no, dearie me, this is difficult now. What can I play? Rook B8, worth a go. This comes and then I'm going to take, and then stick the bishop on D5. That's my big plan. Alright, let's move that knight, got to kick it away. Hope he takes, good. And then I'm going to play pawn there. The idea of getting this square might be quite useful at some point, particularly if he moves something, which is going to move something obviously. So, knight out here, hoping for G4, and then I'm going to take here. This bishop really is badly placed. Maybe F5, and then I can bring the bishop back in there. In fact, F5 looks quite nice. Maybe. Knight there, yeah, I'll kick it, and then I'll take it with the queen if I have to. Right, that's good. Now I've got that D3 square, so I'm going to plonk a rook in there. Rook down here is going to be annoying though, but I'll deal with that. I mean, this looks dodgy from him, because now I'm on this pawn, and I've got rook D6, and I can check there. And then I can either take here or play rook D6. I'm going to take, so I'm threatening knight in here, check. Now I'll take again, and now I'll bring the rook in here. That's got to be annoying. Okay, he's offering to swap queens, so that's a bit annoying. I'll take anyway, and then play the knight in there instead. I think that's a good plan. The knight there must be good. Now his rook can come down the A file, get some pressure. But the knight there must be good. It simply must be. And I might even play G5, shut down this side of the board. I can't, okay. But now I can bring my rook back over. Maybe threaten that guy. You can't move his bishop really. You can get this rook in the game like that. Then I can just play bishop here. If the knight moves, it's still not really got anywhere to go, thankfully. If it goes back to G2, I'll play G5 for sure. It's gone back there. I'm going to play G5 anyway, just so I can really think of what to do. Then I might just play knight takes, bishop next move, rook D2. I mean, it looks strong. It looks strong, doesn't it? Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Knight D2, rook takes, rook there, check. Rook in here. I mean, this must be good. I'll take that. And now I'll take that. And next I'll take that or give check. This is a lovely position. I don't mind that check. Alright, probably do mind that one though. I can get at least a draw, but I kind of want to win now. Yeah, I mean, no, because okay, right, just move that anywhere, and then take pawn forward, threatening rook b2. That will win. So he's got to move the rook somewhere or the king somewhere. Either way, I think rook b2 will be quite strong. But there, in fact, rook there, check, and that's winning. Rook in the way, I'll take it. If not rook there, I'll take it. I'll take it next move, no trouble. I'll take it, defend that pawn, and then just use my king. This is easy. And he's resigned.